Hey guys, TecTimmy here. So in this unboxing video, I'm going to be unboxing a new iPhone case from a company called Tucch. I believe that's how you say it, or maybe it's Tucch. Don't really know. But yeah, so I had my iPhone stolen in Florida. I bought the 13 Pro Max a couple months ago, and I had my phone stolen. And I bought this case for it before, so I've actually already owned the case and used it, and I absolutely love it. I'll show you why in a second. But when I got my new phone after they stole my other one, this is, they basically give you at the Verizon store, they give you a case with the phone. I guess if you spend $1 million on a phone, I mean, these phones are pretty expensive. I think it was like $1,500 for the 13 Pro Max with all the bells and whistles and so forth. So not trivial, not cheap, but they give you this OtterBox case to go with it, or a case or comparable case, I suppose. And I like this from the perspective of it really does a good job with waterproofing. I actually had it fall into a pool when I was in Florida, very briefly, but it did actually save the phone, and it's all, you know, sort of, it's watertight and so forth. So a great case from that perspective, but I like this one better, and I'll tell you why in a second. So without further ado, let's take it out of the box. Again, company called Tucch. A little bit weird, past few packages that I've got, and obviously this is gonna seem pretty anal, but there's been like bumps and bruises in the packages, and this one is no exception. So the box is a little beat up, which I really don't understand why. And then, and then here we go. So I suppose I should have pulled out my unboxing knife to get rid of these little tabby things. So let's do that. Bear with me 1 second. So I couldn't find my epic unboxing knife, so we're gonna go with this one for today instead. Looks like I ripped the box a little bit already there, but oh well. And then, so yes, let's just get right around that tab there, and then this should pull out nicely, which I'm sure it will. So here we go. And then this guy just slides out. I believe it's this way. Oh, I have it upside down. I do. It's that way. And then this just comes or lifts off, which is nice. They do a really good job with the package here. I actually really appreciate that. And then just some nice, you know, paper on the outside to protect it. And then here is the case in all its glory, just like my last one. It's gonna repeat here. So a little bit of styrofoam inside, and you know, like obviously that's where the phone goes. And then the thing that I love about this, first of all, is that it's very sort of solid. You have privacy with the phone because you can put the cover on. You got a little gazinta there that even keeps it shut for you. And then there's also a place to put your cards over here. And I noticed that with this latest version of the phone, they have this FRID card blocking slots thing, and it actually worked with my hotel room keys. So sometimes if you put your, you know, keys for the hotel near the phone, they get magnetized, and you actually have to go to the front desk and have them reprogram them. But this actually worked. The blocking card slots actually worked with this case, which is awesome. And then, so yeah, let me see if I can, without too much trouble. I have actually not taken this off before myself, so hopefully it's not going to be too painful here. And yeah, so I mean, this case is really on here good, and I don't want to force it off. Yeah, there we go. You really have to pull hard at the getting the OtterBox case to come off. And then so as my phone is starting up here, really didn't want that, but okay. And so yeah, it goes in here nice and firmly. I'm just getting rid of my, okay, anyway, so it fits in here. It really just, you have to kind of just press it down in there, and then it sits in there like perfectly. And it just looks really nice. I think it actually gives the whole phone just a better overall appearance. And then you can, you know, stick your credit cards in here and so forth. Let's just show you an example. I'll use my Dunkin' Donuts card that my sister gave me for Christmas that I haven't cashed in yet. So that just that just slides right in there, and it's just a really nice looking case. I absolutely love it, and I'm actually happy to have this back on my phone. It is not waterproof, so you don't want to drop it in the pool, drop your phone in the pool with this case, but that's basically what it looks like. It also comes, as you see right there, a lifetime warranty, which is nice. This company, they just care, you can tell. So great quality product. And I'll leave a link to this in the description. It will be an affiliate link to Amazon. It helps out the channel a lot if you use it. And I appreciate it. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I do all sorts of tech videos. And I hope to see you in the next one. If you wouldn't mind, just give me a quick thumbs up too before you go. Thanks very much. I appreciate it. We'll see you next time. Cheers.